Hi, sharing a stable more video me came about the generative AI, and in today's this second video of generative AI, and in today's video of generative AI, I'm telling you the prompt text to text introduction. I'm giving the text to text introduction. Okay, what is the text to text in generative AI? We are learning about it. So share video start to and please hit a like button, share friends, and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also to never miss any future latest videos about the generative AI. So now without taking your any time, let's move to computer screen and let's give you the introduction to what is the text to text in generative AI. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with loving it. So guys, in today's generative AI video, I am telling you about the prompt text to text introduction. I am telling you about what is the text to text in the generative AI. What is the text to text? So let me give you the introduction of that and let me tell you about that whole thing about the text to text. So let me tell you. First of all, what is the text to text generative AI? The main topic is that what is the text to text generative AI. So if you don't know, let me tell you what is that. Text to text generative AI is an AI. Okay, AI means artificial intelligence that generates a text based on text input. For example, let me give you one example of a text to text generative AI like a chat GPT. It developed by the OpenAI, means the chat GPT has been built by OpenAI. The text decoration uses some machine learning. Okay, text generation is used in the machine learning. All thing is built by the machine learning. Okay, all thing is of the AI use the machine learning. If you don't know what is machine learning, so I've already make the course of the machine learning and I make a video 50 video of machine learning. So I give the playlist in the link in the description, so go and see my full machine learning course. Extracting data in previous user input in generating responses. Text generative AI can be used to first understanding the text. Number 2, it create a content. Number 3, it debug a code. Number 4, education. Number 5, research. Number 6, translation. Number 7, virtual assistant. And number 8, and much more. Okay. This is I told you some example, some uses of text generative AI. Okay. Giving a generative AI its input is known as AI prompt writing or AI prompt engineering. Okay, you called AI prompt writing, it is also correct, or you called AI prompt engineering, it is also correct. General rules for promote writing. When you're writing a promotes for text to text generative AIs, the rules will differ depending on which platform you use. But here are some general rules. First, for general rules is start simple. What is the work of this rule? Start with a simple prompt and build on it. Number 2 is call to action. This is number 2, and what can do it, start the prompt with an action word like a write, create or summarize instead of can you. Number 2, add a context. What can do it, add a specify and relevant context to tasks you want to perform. Number 3, add a exceptions. What can do it, add and clear the direct exceptions for the content, like how long it should be and what to include it. These 4 points I have told you for the general rules for prompt writing. These 4 general rules I have told you. For example, with the following prompt, here we create a list of 10 fun and inexpensive toy gifts to programmers based on the following criteria. Like first is it should be useful, number 2 is it should be silly, number 3 it should be spark creativity. A response from generative AI, in this case ChatGPT could be give you this type of output. Okay, this is called a text to text. What is this called? It called a text to text. If I copy this whole thing and if this is one example, I say create a, I am telling the ChatGPT create a list of 10 fun and inexpensive toy gift to programmer based on the following criteria. Like first point, it should be useful. Number 2 is it should be silly. Number 3 it should spark creativity. I give this in my I'm giving this to our ChatGPT, and first of all you make the account on the ChatGPT. I've already made it, so I do not made it another time. Okay, So now when I paste it like this, and then when I enter press, so it give me this type of an output. Here you can see it. This is called a text to text. Okay, this is called the text to text. Here you can see it. ChatGPT is printing me like this. Here you can see it. I say to the ChatGPT, create a list for me of 10 fun and inexpensive toy gifts to a programmer based on the following criteria. Number 1 criteria, it should be useful. Number 2 is it should be silly, and it should be spark creativity. It say me first is Rubik's Cube, and Rubik's Cube is useful, and it is also be the silly, and it should be also one spark creativity. Number 2, it give me the binary code keychain, and here it told me the work of that also. Then it told me the code theme sticker pack, and he told me the what is the work of this, and then it told me the mini whiteboard with erasable markers. Okay, and it told me the work of that also. So it gave me very useful and silly and spark creativity by inexpensive toy gifts. Okay, here you can say it has given me. If I say here, what is the popular language in the what is the popular programming language in the world? So then it give me like first is like Python, number 2 is like this, like for JavaScript it is giving me, and then it told me the what is the work of JavaScript, then it told me the Python, and it telling me also the what is the work of Python, and then it telling me the Java, and it also telling me the Java work, and C and C++, like that. It is giving me like this. So you can see it. It give me the 10 and popular programming language in the world. Here you can see it like this. So like that you can do it. This is called a text to text. What is called? It is called in the generative AI prompt. It's called the text to text, like this. So here you can see it. In today's video, I give you the introduction of the text to text. Like you are writing here text, and then it give you the in the text it will give you the output like this. This is called the text to text. So I hope you can enjoy this class. And if you enjoy, so please like this video, share, friend, and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell. Also never miss any future related videos about the generative AI. And this is not important. You use the ChatGPT. You will also use the Copilot. Copilot is built by the Microsoft. Okay, it is the also look like a ChatGPT. Let me show you Copilot. When you write Copilot, the Copilot is built by the Microsoft. It is also be look like a ChatGPT, but I prefer ChatGPT is better than Copilot. But in the Copilot, you not make any account and that type of things, and you will be also be in voice message. Okay, in the ChatGPT we do not voice message, but in here you will be also be voice message. Okay, like if I say in the Copilot, what is the programming language? What is the popular programming language in the world? It is giving me first is Python, but here it is giving me a JavaScript. Okay, but why here it is giving me JavaScript? Why it is giving me here Python? It is telling me popular language in the world, not this year. It is telling me in the previous and like whole year, but it is telling me the now latest trend. It is the ChatGPT is telling me the latest trend. Okay, but it is not telling me the latest trend. But using the Copilot, you will also be voice message, talk to Copilot. If I here you can see, you will be also talk to Copilot. Here you can see it like that. But first of all, you sign up and log in it, then you will be use Copilot. Okay, like that. So here you can see in today's video, I give you the introduction to generative. In the generative, I give you the introduction to prompt, text to text introduction. And in today's video, we learn about the what is the text to text in the generative AI. So now I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to all the notification bell. Also never miss any future latest videos about the generative AI. So now I'm using next lesson, next very amazing that type of videos of the generative AI. So now for today, goodbye.